ballsy, bro. Go, damn.
This is such a different gear.
Yeah, than what your dyno?
Yeah, because I do like, what is it, about 200 miles minimum on that thing a week.
Yeah.
200 minimum highway miles.
Yeah. I think we're gonna get rained on, man. It's looking rainy.
That's cool. You can put your expensive things in my bag. I'm pretty sure it's like kind of waterproof. Notice how I qualified that twice.
Kinda.
Pretty sure it's kind of waterproof.
Why you live back there, riding with Raj? There we go. Alright, what up, Blockheads? Out here riding with Raj. Hint, that is his new Instagram name. It is no longer Trash Panda. It is now riding with Raj.
I'm now the artist formerly known as Trash Panda.
There you go.
The comedian formerly known as Trash Panda. I don't know, something. Hi guys.
Yeah, it's a comedian-ish. Link to Raj in description below.
Bam.
He's actually riding the Grom that we're giving away beginning of September. Putting it through its paces, put the new bars on there, the new grips, the new bar and mirrors. Adjust them as needed, sir.
Yeah, I already adjusted the mirrors. I was like, why can I only... Ooh! I could only see my feet, and I figured that wasn't something that was going to hit me. If anything, it's the...
Yeah. Oh my god, there's my feet. I better watch out for those. Keep an eye on those mirrors.
Listen, man, for somebody who has their foot in their mouth as much as me,
that's
something to watch out for.
So we're going to be GromVenturing today.
This thing needs knobbies.
Yes, yes. Who's she talking to?
I don't know. Seems like nobody. You know what I think this thing needs?
What?
An Olin shock that's more expensive than the entire bike.
Yeah. I mean, I've made it this far on just stock shock, so I'm going to leave it stock. If the person that receives it wants to do that, they're more than welcome to.
Yeah, what was Forrest talking about yesterday? Saying like that one Grom that his friend has looks like it's just a regular red Grom, but it can do 110 miles.
Yeah, that's crazy. 110 miles an hour. It's a sleeper Grom.
You know who used to do that? Clay from Standard. He would build like these old 80s style scooters, and they would look like they were just normal 80s style scooters, but they could do like 110 miles an hour.
That's crazy.
And he'd like roll up next to people on Deuces and be like, oh, I'm sorry guys, I don't want to like step on your spot, and boom, gone.
Dude, we got security already? You just want to go? You just want to rip it?
I mean, I think it was JPM who said it's more fun if you get caught.
Is it?
I don't know.
Is he filming us? I think he might be filming us.
No, I think he's on his phone.
Oh, gotcha. All right.
I mean, to be fair, he'd have to do some serious work to get over where we're going.
Right.
And I'm not feeling like he wants to put in that effort today.
Is this the spot you were talking about, or you wanted to go to the abandoned spot on the backside of Artigan?
Now, let's try this first.
Yeah.
I want to try this.
All right. You ready? You want to just rip by him. Keep that license plate hidden.
Hey, should we tuck it? Can we tuck it?
Hold on real quick. I'm getting a call. Who dis? Reese. Never mind, Reese. We took the giveaway bike. All right, you ready?
You're too late, Reese. Let's have some fun.
You don't care.
Oh, I'm afraid of slipping out because these are not knobbies.
So,
I feel like such an urban outdoorsman. What, please? Oh, you're gonna change. Okay, I changed.
Yeah, there's a bigger hole in this left path, so I'll let you stay in the right one.
Oh, thanks, man.
No problem.
You're such a gentleman.
Right.
Okay.
So Raj wanted to come exploring on the. There's that hole I was talking about. Raj wanted to come explore on the Groms, do some GromVenturing. Normally it's either Reese, but he's working this Saturday, so we're just gonna GromVenture around, show Raj some spots.
Yeah, I want to go to that spot over by where where you actually fell into the hole.
Oh yeah, over by that bridge.
Yeah. Is there anything else I should be watching out for, or just kind of like take it as it comes?
Just holes and homeless people.
Oh, okay. There's a spot where we post with the ambulance that there's there's actual homeless people camps in the trees.
Oh damn.
You're like, oh, okay.
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt if there was some camps in here.
Oh yeah.
There used to be one on the corner of Conroy and Vineland, like where the Audi dealership is right now.
Yes.
Yeah, there used to be a real big tent in there. So this is that big open lot to the left.
All right, how do we get there? This way? The way I'm going?
Yeah, probably that way, because this way it looks a little muddy. Take the hot road.
Oh, big,
Yeah, that's a freaking line coming from the power line. What the f?
So I almost just died.
Probably best not to touch that.
I think we were supposed to go that way.
Yeah, we can probably make it through this.
Can we? Okay, you first.
Right?
Last one there is alive.
Okay, cool. It's not.
It's not a fucking moat.
Yeah, it's not a huge puddle. Last time around, man, it was not this grown up.
Yeah, you should see the back of Pedro's place. Did you see that in my story?
What is it?
Like, so I was walking Pedro's dog while he's been off adventuring across the United States, and his lawn has grown to the point where it looks like a quiet place. So I'm like sitting out there, the sun's setting, and like his dog's just like rustling around in the bushes. I'm like, oh god.
You're like, velociraptors in the grass. Oh man, there's no alligators. Last time around there was alligators in here.
I'm sure if we like, dipped a toe in, we could find some.
Yeah, have fun with that. I am not bait.
I am not a bait. Well, you know what they say. If you're gonna be bait, be the master of bait.
Alright, so if we go right, it puts us on Sand Lake Road.
No shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
By the water reclamation facility.
Copy.
And I don't know what left is. Go check out, see what it is.
Yeah.
Damn. It said places for lease in here from 7,800 square feet to 156,000 square feet.
Alright, then I think cut from here. But, yeah, we should definitely make.
Dang. Yeah, I'll take that part out.
I wonder if we can go under those trailers.
Probably.
You wanna? I kind of want to go check that out real quick.
Going under the semis?
Yes.
Oh damn! What the hell is this? Drew Tina Commerce Center.
I went the other direction.
You got to come check out this fountain, dude. It is crazy. There's like dudes throwing up a lot of water.
What?
Yeah. Hold on, I'll come to you, and then we'll come back to this way.
Okay.
You're like, what?
That sounds.
Just looks like these dudes are holding these things like throwing up a ton of water. Ooh, I don't know, dude. I don't think so.
Okay. How low would I have to be?
You'd have to be pretty much in line with the bike. No, it's still not low enough.
No? Okay. Goddamn medic school weight.
A for effort.
Alright.
Wait, man. There's a ramp.
There is? What? Oh, cool. Yeah. Kickflip.
Woo.
Actually, this would be a really nice skate spot.
Right? The little bank.
Oh, god damn. I needed to hit that faster.
Yeah, hey, no dropping that bike. I'm trying to give it away.
Listen, I make vinyl things. It'll be fine. Just put a vinyl wrap over the hole.
Just wrap the whole damn thing. Yeah, so P.S. I think I mentioned it already in this video, but if I didn't, giving this Grom away beginning of next month through Patreon. So if you guys want to be part of the Patreon community, put your hat in for the running to possibly receive this.
Look, Ipecac.
For those of you that don't know what Ipecac is, it's this stuff that you drink that makes you throw up.
It's really fun.
Dude, this is crazy looking. What the shit?
Can we please cut to that Family Guy scene?
Yeah. Oh, I'll totally drop the Family Guy clip of them drinking Ipecac.
Got 8 crates of Ipecac from Mort, all on my tab. Now, whoever goes the longest without puking gets the last piece of pie in the fridge.
That means I win! I get to eat.
Dude, look at their legs. They're like tentacles. Dude. This is weird.
Is that like a mermaid thing, or?
I don't know, dude. I gotta take a photo, though.
Yeah, wait. Okay, stand like right here, and then cup the boobs.
I'm like climbing on the fountain.
Or don't cup the boobs, but you know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Well, nobody's here.
I mean, there's a couple cars.
I bet you I could get there. The fountain's dry enough.
Dude, no. You'd be soaking wet.
No, I mean like I could step.
Oh shit.
I could do this. I can do this.
It's all probably slippery. But dude, seriously, this is weird, man. Look, their junk is covered up by a little leaf. I wonder what the thing that she's holding does. Is that like a light or something?
It's a torch.
Is it?
Yeah, it's citronella.
So there's no mosquitoes around here?
I would assume, because this would be a breeding ground for that shit.
That's true.
I mean, I'm probably wrong.
Although,
I'm making this up as I go.
Well, it is a breeding ground for mosquitoes if it was still water, like stagnant. Since it's running, I don't think it would be. You gotta move so we can get boobies in there. With a plane dive bomb attacking you in the background. Oh my god, it's a Geico attack plane!
Into the fountain!
Breaststroke away!
Breaststroke, what's that one that's like for racing? Fly? That one. Doggy paddle.
75 years of service, Geico. Good job, Geico. I think I have Geico for one of my insurances. I don't remember which one.
How many different insurances do you have?
Like 3. Car, motorcycle, renters.
But they're all like different companies?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Dude, what the hell is this place? There's a lot of cameras around here. Alright, I'm busting.
What is this? Wait, hold up.
Oh, did you go around the front?